Lightspeed Ecommerce tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Lightspeed Ecommerce. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Lightspeed, you can also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Lightspeed, it is commerce at a leading point of sale in the e-commerce platform that empowers businesses in retail, hospitality, and golf to enhance their operations and customer experiences. And the company also offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to streamline business processes, including inventory management, integrated payments, and real-time reporting. And Lightspeed positions itself as a partner in success, providing personalized 24/7 support to its clients. And Lightspeed trusted choice for only-to-use merchants looking to thrive in a competitive landscape. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the free trial button on the top right corner and you will be directed on this page. And from here, just simply choose this e-commerce and click Start Now button. Upon clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do is to simply sign in on your account. Then you will be directed on this dashboard of Equid, which is also an e-commerce Lightspeed app. The left side panel, we have here dashboard, file sales, catalog, marketing, reports, and any other option that we can start navigating. And from here, if you want to start adding a product, just click the catalog option on the left side panel and click these products. And it will show in here all of the products that has been created or the sample products in here. You have here a variety of options to choose from. So you could also click Add Product button and simply enter here, or add a product gallery, enter the name, description, the weight, kilograms, and any other attributes in this page. And from here, we can even set up the pricing option in here. We also have here the attributes option, files, shipping and pickup, SEO, and many more. However, since we're trying to make an e-commerce website in here, what we're going to do is to simply install an application that will help us to create an e-commerce on this lightspeed.com. So just go on the left side panel and click Apps option. Upon clicking on the apps, you'll be able to be directed in here, in which it will show you a variety of applications to choose from. But just simply go to the search bar in here and kindly search dropshipping, in which it will show us a variety of results. If you also want to create a print on demand, you could also click Printiful or Printify in here. But in this option, I'm going to choose Sub Dropshipping. By clicking on it, it will show you in here the overview about this application. Then you should see here an install button to proceed that you need to click. But since I already installed it, that says here Open Up, that we're going to click. But before that, below it will show us a variety of overview about this application. And upon installing it and opening, you'll be able to be directed on this next tab, in which it will show you the overview of different kind of products that you can dropship from this application of Subdrop or website directly to your Lightspeed e-commerce. So from here, you can simply choose here a variety of category to choose from a kind of product. We have here home accessories, men's clothing, women's clothing, and many more. Let's say I'm going to choose men's clothing. By clicking on it, from here it will show you the result of different kind of men's clothes that you can choose from to dropship as part of your product on catalog on your e-commerce. And after that, from here it will show you the title, the pricing plan, the different kind of variations such as color, sizes, and many more. And below, in order to proceed listing it to your store on Lightspeed, kindly click this list to your store button. Upon clicking on it on this pop-up window, you'll be able to see here a different kind of option to choose from. We have here variants, images, product, description, and from here we can simply set up the price. For instance, I'm going to set this pricing to $30. But we could also proceed on images if you want to upload or delete some images in here. And even this product's description and different kind of attributes in here. Then click List It Now button to proceed. However, at this point, it shows us that we need to complete the variation selection first in order to do so. So you can simply select your different kind of variations that you want and click List It Now. However, there seems to have a problem or error upon listing this kind of product. But basically from here, all you need to do is to simply fill out the required information and also set here your price, select the variations, and after that, just proceed by clicking the List It Now button below here in order to start listing it to your store or e-commerce on your Lightspeed account. But since there's an error upon listing this kind of product, you'll not be able to select here or list this product to our store. But basically in this sub dropshipping, all you need to do is to simply select what kind of product do you want to dropship or list to your store, and just fill out all of the required information that you need to fill out in here in order to do so. And it will reflect on your Equid or Lightspeed catalog of products. But if you also want to choose other kind of categories, you could click this category option and choose here, for example, this home storage. By clicking on it, you'll be able to see the result. So you can simply choose any kind of product in here that you want to list in our store. For example, this one. Upon clicking on it, from here just simply choose or click this list it now or list to your store button. Upon clicking on it, from here on this pop-up window, just simply enter or fill out all the required information that you need to fill out, including to set the price in here and select different kind of variations. Then just proceed by clicking list it now button in here to proceed. However, as you can see, upon selecting any kind of variation, it seems to have also a problem or an error in here. But if there is no error on your part, you'll be able to successfully list this kind of product to your store directly on your Lightspeed account. But moving on, to start going to your dashboard account on Sub Dropshipping, just click the top left corner and click dashboard button. Then you will be directed on this page where you can simply track your orders monthly or your total sales, total orders, gross profit, and even your wallet balances in here. And you can also find the product if you want to or list to your store with this kind of method, which is find product and click sourcing, where you can simply paste the link of AliExpress and import the product in here if you want to. And after that, we can simply click this list it to store button, and upon clicking on it, again, you will be directed on this page where you can simply click list it now button, but make sure to check the agree terms and condition or policy. But again, you need to also select the variation selection first in order to do so or list it to our Equid or Lightspeed account. So that if you go back to this Lightspeed account in here and click the catalog option, you should see here all of the products that we just list from Sub Dropshipping. And aside from that, to set up your payment option or payment method, you can simply go on the left side panel and click this payment option in here. And upon clicking on it, from here it will show you that you could also select either PayPal as a checkout, or by connecting your PayPal account in here, choose pay by cash, turn on this credit or debit card, using Stripe, and many more. And even add a manual payment method that you prefer, such as cash on delivery, or by setting up your payment instruction in here that you prefer. And now aside from that, we could also navigate on the left side panel to shipping and pickup, where you can add our shipping for local delivery, self-pickup, and other shipping details in here. And now to navigate to customize the website, just click this website option on the left side panel and click this edit site button to start editing the website or our e-commerce in here. And which on this page, you simply select here the template that you prefer for your e-commerce website and click apply template button to proceed. And upon doing so, you'll now be able to be directed on this page where you can simply fill out or customize some other details or elements on this template, including this cover and headline, tagline in here, the title, and even change the description a bit. So you can simply select here on the left side panel to use editing tools in customizing this website or template in here. We have here also product collection that we can customize, about us, promo slider, delivery info, contacts, and many more. And if you're now done, just click the publish button on the top right corner to start publishing it. But overall, that is just basically how you can use Lightspeed for e-commerce. Thank you.